Get way up there. I got a ladder. Oh, fuck. So high in the fucking air. Oh my god. I'll be telling y'all, bro. Hopefully y'all can see this shit, bro. What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Kels on 18 Wells, man. We back with another video, man. And look, I know I look crazy, y'all. I just woke up with the, you know, I got a little bonnet on, whatever. But we're back with another video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed all the videos, but I just been recording, bro. Like, I don't know what video this is. I'm not gonna lie. I just been recording like crazy. But today, we're gonna get a little educational. You feel me? Y'all, it is currently, what time is it? It's 8:41. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's 8:41. We going home, and we gotta drop this off and pick up another load. And I might record this with my pre-trip video, so I'm gonna show y'all everything. And yeah, we gonna go crazy. Y'all make sure y'all like, y'all comment, y'all subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all comment, bro. Y'all show me, y'all tell me what y'all want to see. Y'all tell me, you know what I'm saying, you here. I want to start doing some type of shout outs, you know what I'm saying. I want to start doing some shout outs, and you know, I want my channel to be crazy. Like, I want to do stuff with my channel, and I need y'all support. So if y'all support me, I can do the things I want to do, and then we can just go up from here. Like, you know what I'm saying, we gonna get this jump. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do a preacher, and plus I'm gonna be doing another video for this, with this actually. I'm gonna show y'all how I take all my stuff off. So all right, y'all, we back, bro. I wasn't gonna show y'all this because, you know, but why not? We're about to unbungee this joint. We already did the other side. Y'all, it's like that's over, I know it's me guessing. I know I put over like 100 bungees, bro. Like, this is crazy. I just want to make sure that what I really want to do is this next pickup I gotta do, y'all. I want to show y'all, like, I be telling all my homies and everybody that I be like Spider-Man type, bro. I be up on crazy stuff, bro. Like, that's what I really want to show y'all. But I said, why not show y'all how this junk works? Dang, I wish I was 6'5". But yeah, y'all, you feel me? Y'all go ahead and comment your name down, and I'm gonna start doing like shout outs on every video, and I'll be following y'all back. Y'all just put your names on Instagram, and I'll shout you out and follow you back on Instagram, because that's gonna be my main platform. Y'all, I got a lot to do, bro. I gotta try to create I want to create an Instagram page on Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that, but hopefully this weekend I can get to it, so I won't be so busy and tired and stuff like that. So we're gonna get that junk done. We're gonna continue to grow. So y'all look forward to that in the future. But right now, y'all, Instagram, y'all just follow that. So we going up this rest of this whole year and next year. Recording every single day. Well, I ain't record yesterday, but, well, I did, but it didn't turn out right. But all right, y'all, we just unbungeed everything. All right, y'all, we're currently at this drive. We gotta make this phone call. Hold on.
To reach is not available.
Wow, y'all, so guess he ain't answer. I mean, the gate is open, so I'm gonna just go through it. Backing, I could do a little backing here and there. So yeah, I hate backing with my seatbelt. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Let's see. I hope y'all can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get like a GoPro, like, well, not the GoPro, like the little stands where it can go outside. like my window right here, so y'all could be able to see. I'll give y'all a little back in a little bit. I can't stand. This is the most, like, I always have to back up, like, kind of like. Ooh, that was a bad setup, low key. So y'all gotta come right here. My bad, y'all. Y'all probably can't see. That was kind of a bad setup anyway. Okay. That's okay. Watch this. This is what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna back up here. We had a bad setup. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, sometimes, like yesterday, I'll back so perfect every time. But I'm just telling y'all, just to give y'all like a little disclaimer, every day, you're not gonna be able to back, bro. I'm telling you. I don't care who you are. You could be the best backer ever. But I'm telling you, no way there's a whole truck in there. Hold on, let me go check. Y'all see, y'all back up in here. But damn, I didn't know. We're gonna see what's up. Hopefully y'all ain't crooked, bro. I'll be trying to make sure y'all straight. Yo, you feel me? We back, y'all. You feel me? This is the low I'm about to show y'all. Y'all feel me? Hopefully y'all can see it. It's a little, yeah, you feel me? This is what the load is, lumber. So yeah, bro. So we gotta tarp this. I'm about to. Y'all see how high this is, right? I have to get way up there. I got a ladder, way up. I gotta get way up there. So let's go ahead and get this jump started, bro. I'm about to get up here. Y'all, me guessing, bro. It's probably like maybe 15 foot in the air, and it's kind of windy. So oh shit. That's what I'm saying. Should I go put my helmet on? Let me go put my hard hat on. Oh, fuck. So high in the fucking air. Oh my god. I'll be telling y'all, bro. Hopefully y'all can see this shit, bro. We high. Y'all, and it's low key. Y'all feel me? It's low key high this joint, bro. We gotta tarp this joint though, so we can go to the crib. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I just gotta pick this up, and this is gonna be my home load. See, I don't like how they did this shit though. Well, they could have did this shit better than this, bro. Yeah, you told me yesterday. I mean, he's in, you know, Juice WRLD. Didn't that nigga overdose? All right, y'all, we're back. Y'all missed a lot, bro. Hopefully y'all can see this. Y'all currently tarping this, y'all. I had to get up there. Y'all, my GoPro died, bro. So we know we're new to this, bro. We're gonna get everything right, bro. Don't worry about it. I ain't worrying about it. I wanted y'all to see, like, me tarp way up there, but I got a little clip of it. But my camera just died on me, bro, and I had to wait for it to charge. So 50% now. So we could do a little something. I can show y'all, you know, what I do, how to tarp this. If y'all want a full tutorial, y'all let me know. You feel me? I got you. But yeah, I'll tell you, y'all missed a lot, bro. It was crazy. I was kind of upset, bro, because that would have been like a great clip of y'all seeing like what real flatbeds do, like what we do. We gotta do this not on a daily, but you know, majority of the time. You might as well hook it up to this. This is the one that's gonna be flapping. Just it's gonna be U-time instead of, you know, being at work. So that let me know how value time is. All right, y'all, we are completed. If y'all can see, this is the final tarp. I know this junk is tall, bro. This junk is crazy.
Yeah, we hopping on this beat, SRT, middle Lexus. Bad bitch, tryna eat the dick, her name Alexis. Ass fat, brain big, feel like she tastes. Niggas talking now, I can't suspend what's in the mess. These niggas ain't no shit but that ass, I teach a lesson. I fuck a bitch and tell her throw that ammo, this a